how to make a delicious local treat, garlic pancakes. Did you know that Suantao pancakes has been around for 60 years? Really?
Yes, garlic pancakes are easy, fun, and tasty. Let's get started.
We can't wait to share this recipe with you. Here are the ingredients: flour, water, garlic, salt, and oil. Peel and mince the garlic. The more the merrier if you love garlic. Mix flour and water to create a smooth dough. Then add mixed garlic and a pinch of salt. Mix it well to get all the flavors in there. Mix the dough until it's nice and elastic. This part is super fun.
Roll out the dough into thin circles.
Make sure they are even. And don't forget to have fun while you cook. Put the pancakes in the oven on medium heat.
Keep an eye on them so they don't burn.
Our pancakes are all done. Wow!
Smells amazing and tastes even better.
Teacher, do you like it?
Good, delicious.
Well, that's the end of our show for today. Thanks for joining us. We hope you try making this garlic pancake at home. See you next